You know what that is? That's over $600 in eBay sales in one day. Not every day is going to be like that, so let's talk about riding that eBay roller coaster.
Hey guys, Steve from Resale Dojo back, and today I want to talk to you guys about the roller coasters of selling on eBay. Some days you get the crazy highs, and sometimes you get the very lows. And this past week, actually, I felt both. This weekend, I sold like $250 combined on Saturday and Sunday, which is crazy for me. It's crazy low. But the rest of this week has been nuts, starting from Monday through Wednesday, and actually Thursday is already picking up as it is. But after going through those crazy lows on Saturday and Sunday, the rest of my week has started off fantastic. And those are the crazy roller coaster days that you have as a reseller. As you know, you're going to be doubting yourselves at times when you're seeing low sales numbers, low items going out, not finding the best items, getting returns, getting messages, and not getting those sales dollars and that profit that you really want to see. But take it from me, and I'm sure you've felt it the same way yourself, it's gonna eventually turn itself around. And let me show you why.
So taking a quick look at my sales for the last month, you could see how sales are a roller coaster in my business. I'm sure you guys are feeling yours. Last weekend I had sales under $150 for each day. But as you can see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they just started stair-stepping up. And even today, Thursday, at before 2 o'clock, it's almost at $200.
So you may be asking, Steve, what'd you do differently to get those sales to start jumping up? Really, I didn't do much of anything at all. I kept listing as I normally do, kept sourcing like I normally do, didn't make any changes. I sent some offers out. That's always good. I kept up with my feedback, kept up with my messages, kept shipping as I always do. But really, eBay is just a massive roller coaster that you're riding on, right? And your sales are going to be going up and down every day. You're never going to have a consistent flow of peak sales, but what you can do is start to elevate your floor. And when I talk about elevate your floor is look at where your lowest amount of sales are in like those last 31 days, and how do you start to get that so that that floor is higher for the next month. Now, how do you get your floor higher than where it currently is? For my store, I aim to list twice as much profit than what that floor is each day. You may think that is hard to come by, but really, all it is you sourcing and taking the time to list it. Now, I started this process probably about 6 months ago, and it's really paid off. When I first started eBay a year ago, I was happy when I was getting $50 a day consistently. Then I was starting to get happy when I was getting $100 a day consistently. Then as I started looking at my business more and more, I said, I don't want to be under 100 days in sales any day during a 31-day period. And then as the pandemic started and I was getting sales, I said to myself, well, I never want to go below 150, and then eventually came to 200. As you guys know, the roller coaster of sales will go up and down, and you're going to get those days where it's going to go below, as you saw my weekend, which was $120 one day, maybe $140 the next. But when I saw those sales, I didn't panic. I maybe was let down for a few hours here and there, right? Like, oh, where's the sales? You don't hear the cha-ching. But I knew starting that next week, sales were going to start to come back. Why? Because they always do. So next time you start to feel like you're being taken a ride on the eBay roller coaster, just remember to be consistent, keep putting those listings up, keep sourcing great products, and just keep doing what you're doing, and eventually those sales are going to come. Thank you guys for joining my video. I hope you were able to take something away from all of this. If you did, please leave a like, maybe a comment, or subscribe. Anything would be great for my channel right now. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.